कुलंदर सिंह उर्फ कुलपाजी और मैं जा रहा हूँ वेज मीडिया समिट के अंदर, जो कि मैं अभी लेट हो चुका हूँ। 10 बज गए, 10 बजे वो स्टार्ट होता है, ऐसा टिकट में लिखा हुआ है मेरी। आई डोंट नो, मैंने ब्लेजर पहन लिया है, डोंट नो वाई। और गर्मी बहुत है भाई, मुंबई की गर्मी आज तो स्पेशली बहुत ज़्यादा है। मैं सुबह उठा हूँ पसीने से लथपथ। खैर जो भी हो, जाते हैं। मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं अनुपम खेर से मिल लूँ एक बार, यही मेन गोल है हमारा। और कोई अच्छा सा हमें वो पर्सन मिल जाए जो एआई फिल्म में इंटरेस्टेड हो, क्योंकि मेरा नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट एआई से रिलेटेड है। दैट्स इट। और फिर एक्सप्लोर करेंगे। दोनों चीज़ें बहुत टाइट ड्रीम है मेरा, बट लेट्स सी। पहले बाल बनाते हैं, फिर रिक्शा पकड़ते हैं, दिल्ली स्टेशन जाते हैं। फाइनली मैं बैंड्रा स्टेशन पहुंच गया हूं और अभी हमें जाना है रिक्शा में बैठ के। एंड फॉर सम रीजन प्राइवेट रिक्शा नहीं चल रहे हैं। किस्मत। लेट्स वेट। वेल फाइनली हम जीओ सेंटर के अंदर आ चुके हैं। आई नीड टू फिक्स माय हेयर। लेट्स गो। Please introduce yourself.
So I'm Sandeep, a senior technician in Light and Craft Workshop.
Okay. So what are we seeing here?
So this is a virtual person, like in the part of ICVFX.
Okay.
So ICVFX means in-camera VFX. You can shoot and you can you can post in any way. So you can get the perspective, everything live.
Okay.
So if you change the background or anything, it will be updated instantly. It will be live renders because of it. So there is, you can see in there, there's the tracker on top. So here, there's the tracker. So the tracker will be seeing everything. Point
we get this.
Yeah. Give the position of this camera. So it will give you height, tilt, span, every information, and camera sensor.
So it's live rendering right now, no, with Unreal Engine.
Yes.
If I'm not. Or okay, how many what kind of 3D software you can actually attach?
This is Unreal Engine.
And can we attach Maya to it as well?
No,
Does it work?
No. If you are using Maya, that will be make the only 3D models or anything you can make.
Or Cinema 4D?
Same as like that.
Yeah.
So in here you can see this is the gaming engine.
Okay.
You can do anything like instantly. You can change this or anything.
Okay.
So I'll show you. Manshu, like background change करना. Sagar background change.
Oh.
So you can change background and light.
So it automatically changes the light itself.
Yeah, no, it will be preset in here.
Okay.
Everything will be preset in before what you want to shoot, like before only.
So basically, if I change the background, the lighting has to be changed manually. It won't automatically change.
No, the preset. You have to first of all you have to shoot before only we have set what the lighting you want to like.
So you have to preset it.
Yes.
Earlier, yes. Oh, much.
So
Right. 8 seconds there. Right. Yeah.
So you can see here it will be blend like seamlessly.
Okay.
So he was charging in. So background will be normal. But here you can see the LED will be updated every second.
Okay. So what kind of camera you are using for it?
This one is FX9. So you can use any camera, Arri, Media Lab or anything. Sony Venice also, you can use any camera.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Every state has their own setup here. अभी मध्य प्रदेश देखा, अभी है सन टीवी, Amazon Prime and lot more. We have a chroma setup. This is live chroma key, live link. Just look at आपका नाम क्या है पहले?
मेरा नाम गोटू।
ओके गुरु जी, हम कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी देख रहे हो, प्लीज़ बताइए इसके बारे में।
वर्चुअल का वो कभी भी बैकग्राउंड है, महाराष्ट्र में इंडिया गेट कभी भी चाहिए वो लोड करके बैकग्राउंड में एक ही टाइम में आएगा।
तो ये लाइव लिंक कर रहे हैं आप?
रियल टाइम में आएगा।
ओके, तो इसके लिए आपने कौन से सॉफ्टवेयर यूज़ करेंगे आपसे?
कौन सा सॉफ्टवेयर आई डोंट नो.
Unreal Engine
My
वगैरह?
only camera
Okay.
in Ramoji Films.
Okay. Which kind of camera you can use actually?
Sony Velis 2.
Only that one और भी कोई कैमरा अटैच कर सकते
वो
हैं?
सिंक चाहिए, जरूर चाहिए.
Okay.
मिनी एल S35.
Okay.
और
Thank you. We have live music. This is from Meghalaya. अरे इनकी तो मैंने डॉक्यूमेंट्री बनाई. So Adobe over here. Some type of a gaming center.
My name is Rupsa Fagia and I am a game developer at a Peppermint Technologies. We are Ahmedabad-based service-based company. We develop games for our clients. Okay, and we develop games on every platform, and we develop games for every platform like AR, VR, PC, console, game-based games, everything.
So do you have your own custom software or use Unreal Engine type of game developer software?
We use Unity Engine and Unreal Engine both for that.
So how we are talking about what is your process of making the game
So
on
creating
traditional?
a game, we work for clients, right? So first, what we do, we get a call from our client, gather their requirement process. That will be handled by our analysis team, business analysis team, and they will put forward that to managing department. They will manage whole product for us. Okay. And developers will develop their games according to that project management tool. We use Zoho for that.
Can you share a couple of your games with us?
Yeah, we have this game called Airzoy platform. Yeah, you can interact with your hand gestures, body movement for game inputs.
How does it know that I'm moving? Do we have to buy a controller for that?
No, we have made a platform using Python. Python script is running in the background. They will capture your image with that camera. You can see that camera, right?
The webcam.
Webcam. You can also use webcam.
So basically I can play this on my laptop.
Yeah, you can play this on your laptop, anything.
Is this published available for us?
Yeah, you can buy it through
We do have 4G and all these games.
As fleet management, it is more like LinkedIn for us.
Who didn't came in waves are really missing on a lot of things because यहाँ पे ऐसे ब्रांड आ रखे हैं जिनके बारे में आपने सुना भी नहीं होगा. They are coming with technologies. They are like of the world. Like seriously, इतना अच्छे AI is amazing. We have Hira Mandi ka set over here. The Wave Media Festival is actually good. I got to talk to a lot of actors, actresses and couple of directors. मुझे काफ़ी सारे contact मिले हैं and deals. Let's see.
Things, innovation and technology is driven by that, and it's the ideas that you look to the tools to help communicate those ideas and create them, and not the other way around.
I was looking around the room very carefully, and I'm happy to tell you that no one fell asleep. So I just want to first of all ask you to join me in giving a big round of applause to our two panelists here and to yourselves, and thank you very much for being at Waves for this conversation. Take away the fact that
How could they